Okay, after you finish the setup, and I just put it on the ground because I have my old TV standing on my TV stand right now, but TV looks really nice. It's a 50-inch, but I had a 46-inch, but it's actually much bigger than, it looks much bigger than 46-inch. So what I'm gonna do is show you what kind of outputs they have. I have a 3 HDMIs, 1 USB, and also audio systems and A&T output. By the way, this is the back of the TV, and on the side it's fairly thin. Okay, what I'm gonna do is turn the TV on and show you guys the quality.